As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the classic 2-burner and the 1-burner portable. What are your thoughts?
Well, right off the bat, the classic 2-burner B01HM7BUY8 is bigger. It's got 280 square inches of cooking space versus the portable's 240 B0 BPWBXMTQ. And, it also has a side burner, which the portable doesn't have.
Ah, good point. That side burner could be handy for sauces, but the portable, as the name suggests, is lighter, right?
Definitely. The portable weighs about 28 pounds, while the classic is almost 38. Makes a big difference if you're hauling it around. The classic is also a larger product overall, with product dimensions of 24.1 DX 45.6 inches, WX 43.5 H, versus the portable grill at 16.2 DX 24.8 inches, WX 13.3 inches H.
True. I'm also seeing the portable runs on a 1-pound propane tank, while the classic needs a 20-pounder. That adapter bundle is included with the portable, so that is convenient.
Exactly. And the classic has a higher BTU rating at 20,000, while the portable has a wattage rating of 6,324 watts, which comes out to around 21,550 BTU.
So more heat output on the classic, likely due to the larger cooking area and side burner, and the 2 burners. How about the grates?
The classic uses porcelain-coated wire grates, which are easy to clean and replace. I'm not seeing the grate material listed specifically for the portable, but the description mentions a porcelain-coated cooking grate.
Okay, what about the price? The portable is a bit cheaper, right?
Yes, the portable is currently around $110, while the classic is listed at $139, so you are saving a bit of money.
And what about reviews?
Both have pretty good ratings, but the portable has slightly better reviews at 4.4 versus the classic's 4.1. But the classic has significantly more reviews overall at 2,700 versus 2,147.
That's interesting. So if I'm mostly grilling at home and need the extra space and side burner, the classic seems like the better choice. But if I want something easy to transport for camping or tailgating, the portable is the way to go.
I think you nailed it. It really depends on your needs and grilling style. And remember, the classic requires assembly, while the portable does not.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.